Hey, what's up everybody? TooTallToby here, and in today's SOLIDWORKS Power Move, we're going to talk about SOLIDWORKS drawings and the idea of ending up with gray dimensions in your SOLIDWORKS drawings. This is something that comes up a lot, both for beginner users, but even for experienced users, and it can be a little bit frustrating. You know, sometimes my dimensions come in as black, sometimes they come in as gray. Most of the time when I go to add a new dimension, it just shows up as gray, and I wish that it would show up as black by default. Well, the good news is there is a very simple solution to this, and that solution is to turn on the toolbar for layers. Now, the toolbar for layers usually shows up down here in the corner. The way that we turn that on is we do a right mouse button, toolbars, layer. I'm going to do that again, but before I do it, I'm just going to move this up so you can kind of see where this toolbar shows up. So right mouse button anywhere on your command manager, toolbars, layer, and then you'll see that the layer toolbar shows up down here. So you see I've got this is the layer. We're currently on none, and then this is our layer manager button, and that's the button we're going to click on now. So you click on that layer manager button, and then you just make a new layer. You could call it something like all black or dimensions, or you can call it whatever you want. And then once you create that new layer, what you do is you set the color of the layer right here on this box. So I'll click on this box and set that to black, and I'm going to hit OK. And now that you've got a new layer, all you need to do is pick one or more dimensions. So let's say I pick one dimension here, and then you come down here to where it's got the name of the layer, none. You fly out that menu and you change that to the all black layer, and boom, problem solved. And like I said, you can do that with multiple dimensions. So I could pick this dimension, and this dimension by holding Control, and then you let go of Control and you come down here to your layers, fly out menu, and you can change that to all black, and then you are good to go. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can set that layer ahead of time, so you can kind of pre-select that layer, set it to all black, and what that'll do for you is now when you go in and you add a new dimension, that dimension will automatically show up on that layer, so that dimension will automatically be black. And this doesn't just apply to dimensions, it applies to any geometry. So for example, whenever I go to print out a drawing, the title block is always a lighter color gray. Well, what I could do is right mouse button in the background, and I could say edit sheet format. Then I can select all this information off the title block, and then I can come over here to my layers tool and set that to all black. And that way we can see here that this is now showing up all in black, and it's going to print all in black when I go to make a 2D print of this drawing. So that is the tool that you can use for that application. Like I said, this is something that really affects a lot of beginners, but it also affects experienced users, and it's a very simple fix. All you have to do is turn on layers. A lot of times we think layers only really works in like 2D applications and it doesn't pertain to SOLIDWORKS, but the truth is layers are very helpful in SOLIDWORKS drawings for controlling your colors. So if you enjoyed today's power move, be sure to hit the like button. Be sure to leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you learned from this power move. And of course, if you like my style of teaching, be sure to visit us at TooTallToby.com/training. We've got a lot of great SOLIDWORKS training classes to help you get better at this amazing software. And guys, I will look forward to seeing all of you in the next TooTallToby Power Moves.